Here, we're gonna make fresh corn tortillas, but we're gonna make them with chives and cilantro in the masa to make that taste even more powerful. So I have 2.5 cups of masa harina that went in here. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add 1 2/3 cup of lukewarm water, but I'm gonna add it a little at a time. Mixing the masa harina with the water. You don't want the masa to be crumbly like this. It has to come together. I think it's gonna end up being like 2 cups. Okay, that's feeling good. And I'm going to super finely chop a little bit of chives, a little bit of cilantro. I'm gonna add it into the masa. My masa is really thirsty today. So you don't want it to be wet, but you do want it to really come together. Okay, so now that I have my masa and I'm making 14 to 16 balls, then we have the tortilla press or thin plastic. Then we have our ball, about 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches. Put it on the press, add the plastic on top, and here we go. And then remove the plastic from the top. As the tortilla cooks and those herbs cook within the masa, they're just going to unlock their flavor. But meanwhile, I'm gonna make the next tortilla. Release the plastic. Oh, so beautiful. Second one comes here. Okay, so it's like 60 seconds on one side and then like 90 seconds on the other. You do want to flip it when the second side has browned a little more. This one already has the air pockets in it. Okay, so this one is ready and this one's ready too. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna